Farm animals and their young ones. Cat. Kitten. A baby cat is called a kitten. Sheep. Lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Cow. Calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Horse. Foal. A baby horse is called a foal. Chiken. Chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. Dog. Puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Pig. Piglet. A baby pig is called Pigglet. Donkey. Foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. Rabbit. Bunny. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Camel. Calf. A baby camel is called a calf.